high risk, lower burning risk, or information based risk. Severity is given as warning, informative, or high. Is available with this particular analysis.
पढ़ाते अच्छा है
Browsable activities, you can see this is available and this is open to everyone. You just run your Docker, you just run your MobSF, you upload the APK file. After some time, the report will be available for you, and these are the options. And these options, just click on these options, you will get the particular report. And report is very good kind of representation, the risk, associated risk, the file, OWASP file, OSINT files, library analysis, what kind of library is available. So security analysis is there. Next is code analysis, binary analysis. Next is file analysis. So file may be injected, executable, or any kind of manipulation is there or not. We just can check with the help of this file analysis. Firebase analysis. So Firebase analysis, in Firebase analysis, we can see the rule ID, behavior of a particular action, and the details, associated details. Next is malware lookup. Malware lookup means, is there any malware available in this particular APK or not? So we can see like this. So I just check the malware lookup in dynamic. So at that particular time of stamp, is there any malware or not? So I just turn on the internet and then we check the malware lookup. So malware lookup table will be available.